Hello Bachcha Party. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to draw a turtle and his friend. It's a very simple drawing, so let's draw it. To draw Mr. Turtle and his friends, we need scale, pencil, an eraser, a sharpener, and this circular object to draw his shell. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to draw Mr. Turtle. So let's draw his shell. For shell, we are going to make a semicircle. So for this, take any circular object and make a semicircle. Like this. Now, join from this point to this point with a curved line. Draw a curved line from this to this point. Now, again, a double line in the same format. Now join these two ends with the little curved line, and here too. Now the shell of Mr. Turtle is ready. Now it's time to make his face. For the face, we will draw a curved line from downwards to upwards like a U. U for umbrella. Again, from a little distance from here, we are going to do the same, a curved line like a U. Now join these two lines with a slight curve. Yes, like this. Now it's the basic shape of his body. It's the neck and it's the face. Now to complete Mr. Turtle, we need two eyes and a smiley face. For two eyes, we are going to make two little circles side by side. This is the first circle and this one is the second one. So these are Mr. Turtle's little cute eyes, and for nose, we are going to draw a U. A U for umbrella, U, and for smiley face we are going to make a smile like this. Now put two dots here. Now Mr. Turtle is ready, but he is not looking so dashing. So to make him smart, we are going to put a hat. So for hat, we will draw a curved line on the top of the head, and now make a circle downwards like a semicircle here. So it's the outline of a hat. Now what are we missing? We are missing Mr. Turtle's leg. So for legs, draw a curved line from here and from here. Now join these two curved lines with a slight curve from downwards to upwards. Yes, we are going to do the same for the second leg. From here to here, a curved line, second curved line, and we have to join these two lines with a slight curve. Now it's time to make his nails. For nails, we are going to make curved lines like this. again and again. We are going to do the same here. Curved line, and again curved line. So now Mr. Turtle is ready. Now it's time to draw his friends. Now the another friend of Mr. Turtle is Mr. Snail. So to draw Mr. Snail, we need another circular object. So put it here and make again a semicircle. Yes, like this you have to make a semicircle from this way. Stretch this line and make curves up to here. Now we will stretch this line in the same way. So stretch this line up to here and make the same curve and join this line with the end of this curve. Now the basic body of Mr. Snail is ready. Now it's time to make his shell. So for the shell, we are going to put our cap here and make a circle. Let's make a circle. Now our circle is ready. Now it's time to join his body and the shell. To join the body and the shell, we are going to stretch a line, a curved line from here to here, and we are going to do the same here. So now the shell is attached with the body of the snail. Now it's time to give him some eyes, right? He is without eyes. Now we are going to give him some eyes. So for that, draw a line, a little curved line here, and for the second eye, 2 lines, and now on these 2 lines we are going to make 2 little bit circles. 2 little circles for the eyes. Now draw 2 points. Now the eyes are complete and my snail is smiling. To give him a smile, we need to draw a U shape for the smiley. So now Mr. Snail and Mr. Turtle are ready. Now it's time to make a third friend, which is, yes, it's a mouse. So to draw a mouse, we are going to draw 2 curved lines from here, yes, to here. On the top it will be narrow and on the downwards it will be little broad. So it's the part of his neck and it's the part of his lower body. Now make a curved line to join his body, these 2 lines. Now this is the lower part of the mouse and this one is the upper part of the mouse. So from upper part we are now making his face. So for face, make a curved line and on the top of that another curved line. Now join these 2 points with a slight curve and these 2 points with curve. Yes. Now you can see that this is looking like a T. So make it more attractive. First we are going to make two little eyes. For that we are drawing two circles side by side and drawing two points in it and a smiley. For nose, join these two lines with a curve and make it little darker so that we can recognize the nose. Now to complete the look of Mr. Mouse, we are going to make two ears, one on the right and one on the left. For that, we are going to draw two triangles. Two triangles. Here and here. And now to join these two lines, make a curve. Yes. Now it's time to draw legs. For legs, draw two diagonal lines like this and the same diagonal lines here. It's time to join them with a little curve and draw two straight lines. And here he is trying to balance himself, so two lines here and make a triangle for his shoes. To decorate Mr. Mouse, I am going to draw a scarf. So for scarf, draw a slightly curved line from downwards to upwards and some wavy lines like this. And yes, to connect this line, draw a curve here. Now the scarf is ready. How about a shorts? Let's draw shorts with a curved line and make some dots here so that we can know that it's a short. Now our mouse is ready with a scarf and shorts and he is trying to balance himself over Snail. So this is how you can draw Mr. Turtle and his friends very easily, step by step. Now it's time to color this. First I am going to color the shell of the turtle. So for this I am taking this dark green color. Always remember to color in the direction of the line. So now this shell is in a curved mode. So we are going to color in the curved position. For legs, I am taking this dark blue, royal blue color. So let's paint the legs. I'm going to use this black pen to make some patterns over the shell. You can make any pattern. I am making very simple circles. You can choose your own pattern to make it more beautiful. I am doing this, one circle and another and another. You need not to be perfect. Just enjoy. Now it's time to color Mr. Snail. So to color Mr. Snail, I am going to take this yellow color for his body. For the shell, I am taking this pink color. So for eyes, I am taking this purple color. To make the shell more attractive, I am going to take the help of my marker pen, black pen, and I am going to draw a spiral curve. For Mr. Mouse, I am going to take this sky blue color. For shorts, I am taking this orange color. Now to color the scarf, I am again taking this red color. Shoes with the black color. Now the coloring is complete. If you want more details, if you want to decorate it more, you can use the pen and make some random lines here and there. And if you don't want it, it's okay. So this is the final look of Mr. Turtle and his friends. You can also practice this at home, and I'm quite sure that you can draw better than me. So I hope you have learned something new today. For more videos, please follow us. I will be back in the next episode. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.